Nonhlanhla Patricia Gama. Her journey in faith was profound and inspiring. The latest calling she embraced on earth was that of a lady-apostle, a role she carried with humility, authority, and unwavering devotion. She lived her life in service, guided by prayer and committed to uplifting others spiritually and emotionally. Lady-Apostle carried a rare kind of presence, one that made people feel seen, heard, and valued. She listened without judgment, loved without condition, and moved through life without conflict, embracing everyone with warmth and grace. She was truly a people's person, yet at the same time a natural-born leader.
Njoba sengithe nje siyabonga gogo likhiphe izwi.
Yeah.
Ugogo lelizwe khetha ukuthi limbusise. Uzolithatha lifake enhlizweni yakhe liye endaweni ebaluleke kakhulu ayolibeka athi umama asho wathi ubonga ukuthi ngimele noma kungamiki. Yes. Kwathi wasiyoma ngisho singasamile ngenyawo sesime edolweni. Sinzima kakhulu ngedolweni. Yingakho ngithi makake sinciphise ngapha sivuke ngapha izinto ziyenzeka.
She led not with force, but with quiet authority and respect. When she walked into a room, it lit up, not just because of her presence, but because of her peace, confidence, and assurance she carried. People were drawn to her, inspired by her, and willingly followed her guidance. A powerful trendsetter in her own right, she made others believe in themselves, in hope, and in the goodness of life. Her impact stretched far beyond her immediate circle. She leaves behind her devoted husband and family, beloved sons and daughters in Christ, cherished elders, and an entire Zion nation who loved her deeply and will miss her dearly. Her legacy of love, strength, and unity will live on in every life she touched. May her soul eternally rest in peace.
Oh,